Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily change the clock on the lock screen of your iPhone to Arabic. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video and don't forget to write comments. And let's get started with you friends. So, first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and click on the wallpaper option. Now, under the lock screen, you'll need to tap on Settings. Then you will see different lock screen settings. And in order to change the clock widget, just click on them. And here you will see various options related to time. So you can change the font, color, size, and so on. But in order for you to change your numbers to Arabic, the traditional language, then click on this planet sign on the left-hand side. And then select Arabic at the top. As you can see, instantly those numbers will be changed. And you can also continue to change. For example, their appearance, you can also change their boldness, and you can choose absolutely any color you want. After that, to save the changes, you will need to click on the empty field. Next, at the top, click on Done. And now, friends, you need to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, after making these changes, the clock on the lock screen they have changed. Friends, this is the method you can easily change the clock on your iPhone lock screen to Arabic. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.